Let's fill out the Ohio Motor Vehicle Bill of Sale together and avoid the small mistakes that cause big headaches when it's time to transfer the title and register the car. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave any line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. An empty box is an invitation to change the document after it's signed. Next, describe the vehicle. Make, model, body type, year, color, and the odometer reading. 2 that people get wrong. The VIN. Type all 17 characters exactly as they appear on the title. A single wrong digit can stall the title transfer. And the odometer. Write the exact
Now
reading,
the sale price,
not a
in our
rounded
example,
guess. A sloppy number
$8,500.
can look like odometer
And
fraud.
how it's paid?
Here, paid in full by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales
Finally,
tax can come back as back
signatures.
taxes and penalties.
The seller and the buyer each
and it leaves
print
the
their
buyer
name,
with weaker
sign,
proof of what they
and date.
actually paid. 2 things before you're done. An unsigned or undated bill of sale may not hold up. So make sure every
Hey
signature
there, and
has a
welcome.
date beside it.
Today we're walking you
And
through what
make
this
2
state
copies.
requires for a
Each
vehicle
side
bill of
keeps
sale.
a signed one.
So let's get
the
right
buyer
into
needs
it.
it to register the vehicle.
First up,
And
the
the
bill
seller
of
sale
sale
must
must
be
be
notarized
they are no
to be
longer valid.
responsible for that car.
So
make sure you have that taken care of before anything else.
Remember,
When it
this
comes
is
to the
general
title,
information,
you'll
not
need to
legal or
complete the
tax advice.
BMV 3774, which is the application